Hello everyone, and today I will tell you about static method in JavaScript ES6. So first, let's declare a class. We call it employee. And we open a curly bracket and we have constructor with the two parameter name and age. And we can have this name equal to name and this age equal to age. It's a very simple, nothing new. And here we declare a static method with the keyword static, and we call this method is work. And for now I just console.log this one. I am working. So now let's use this static method, and this one you don't need to create a new object, so just use it directly. We have employee and work. And now let's check the terminal. So as you can see, I am in the terminal and I am in the folder JS, and I will use Node.js to run the file. Node static method.js, and we have here I'm working. So it means the static method work here is working correctly. And we use static method to create helper or some utility. For example, here I have 3 employees, so we declare it like this: let my employees, and it is an array, so we will have new employee and his name is John Doe and he is 21 years old. The second employee is new employee and her name is Jane Smith, for example, and she's 45 years old. And the last one is employee and her name is Alice White, and her name and her age is 33 years old. So now I want to sort my employees following the age, so it's kind of difficult, but with the static method we can use this very easily. So we have here static, so we have by age, and in the parameter here we have person 1 and person 2, and here we will return person 1 dot age minus person 2 dot age. And we can first I comment out this one, and now we can use sort my employees dot sort, and in the sort method here we need to pass a function here, so we will call employee and by age. So as you can see here we have 21, 45 and 33. The correct order will be 21, 33 and 45, and we did the sorting here. And let's console.log my employees again. So now let's open the terminal, and we have here, so this is the correct order. And so I can copy this one and write it above so you can see the difference. So now we open the terminal again and we have this one. So this one is the original array 21, 45, 33, and this one is 21, 33, and 45. So we have done it correctly. So that is a short introduction about the static method in JavaScript ES6. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe. See you again.